Hello, welcome to my tutorial again. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use slot tool. Go to Sketch tab, click your slot, and we have four options to pick from. This is the first one, which is straight slot. Second one, which is center point straight slot. Third one, which is 3-point arc slot, and the last one. So I will demonstrate how to use the first one, straight slot. We are going to use 3 points, and we are going to click 3 times to reference this type of slot. The first point is the first center, the second point, and the third point will form the slot. So to use this, we also need 3 points, but we are starting at the middle compared to this. So you click expand to the other side as you are expanding towards one side. So okay, and then you form your slot. So that's how to use the other option. And the third option, you first form arc, and then you use that arc to form your slot. You reference 4 points here. So you click, you can see the preview of the arc. So let's say second point, and then you define the radius of the arc, and then the slot is going to form. So the third point, the third type also is you are going to use arc to define the slot first. You can see this one is giving preview of a complete circle. So let's say we want it to be around there, and we are going this way. Third point, and the final click will give you the slot. So this is how to draw your slot, and the option you have here for construction, you can click it and you can see it has changed from solid to construction line. Okay, so that's how to draw slot in Sketch tab in Solidworks.